Now to this chicken slices that I have got, I'm going to marinate this for about 8 to 12 hours. So to that I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt depending on your salt intake, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, and here I have garam masala 1 teaspoon, chili powder 1¼ teaspoon according to your taste again, and pepper powder. So I'm going to add all this into this. I'm going to mix it all together and marinate it for about 8, minimum at least 8 hours. So I have mixed it using God's best tool that He has given us, your hands, your fingers rather. And to that I'm going to add also a juice of 1 lemon. Okay, and I'm again going to give it a nice mix. Use your fingers. That's the best tool God has given us for crafting and cooking. My fingers are the most important tools, and I'm happy that God has blessed me with this good creative hands. Now I'm going to just marinate it, close it up, and keep it in the refrigerator down for about 8 hours minimum. This is a mixture of wheat flakes, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and about 3/4 cup of maida. So I mix all this together, crush the wheat flakes, here I have 1 egg beaten, add salt and pepper to taste. After you have added salt and pepper, just beat up the egg. I'm going to take this marinated pieces of chicken, dip it in this, a few at a time. And then you're going to take 1 piece, dip it in this, press it down so that the flour sticks to the chicken pieces. So you're going to do a few at a time, not too many. Meanwhile the oil is getting hot. You're going to fry this on medium heat. The cornflakes or the wheat flakes will give it some extra crispiness. The oil is heated. Do few pieces at a time, not too many. Now let's take this to the oil. Here I have oil getting I'm going to cook it on medium flame dust out the extra corn flour and maida. I'm not going to turn it for a few minutes. I'm going to just let it fry, and then I will turn it after 1 or 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes since it's fried on one side, so now I will turn the pieces. You can already see it's nice and crispy. You can see they are fried on both the sides now, and you can see how crispy it is. You can hear the sound, right? So you know the crispiness. You heard the sound of it dropping into the plate? Well, that's this. Now I'm going to add the next batch. Remember that once you dip your chicken pieces into the breadcrumb and into the egg and the batter, you should fry it immediately. Fry it immediately. Don't let it keep soaking there. So that's why just dip a small batch at a time. Don't take too many pieces and mix it with the corn flour and mixture, because it will lose its crispiness.